If you're looking for a Golf GTI, trust me, it doesn't get better than this. As an example, now this isn't just your standard GTI, this is a GTI Performance. It's covered 9,700 miles, and let me just tell you what that performance is. It gives a bigger brake horsepower, so you'll benefit from another 20 brake horse, so you'll get 242. You get an enhanced differential as well, and you get a bigger braking system, which I'll show you later in the video. But the car is beautiful. Now, the big thing, 9,700 miles. Now, this is the big thing. It's had 3 services. So the guy who's owned this car, it's been looked after meticulously well. It's had a service at 3, a service at 6, and a service at 9,000 miles. So that tells you how this car's been looked after. It looks stunning. It's deep pearl metallic black paint. It's got the panoramic roof. It's got the 19-inch Brescia diamond cut wheels. It's an absolute stunner. Beautiful LED lights. You've got the, with it being the GTI, you've got that beautiful red line what runs all the way through that front grille. And it's just a great looking GTI Performance. The wheels, like I said, these are diamond cut. They're called Brescia, and they just set the car off. Then you've got this bigger brakes with it being the Performance, which the calipers are in red as well. Red on the wings there on the GTI badge. It just looks right, doesn't it? And like I said, the big thing with the car, it's only done 9,700 miles with impeccable service history. Sun protection privacy glass on the back, which just sets it off. It just looks superb. And when lighted up there, you see them sweeping indicators, you see them stripped LED lights, you see them big twin exhausts. It's an absolute cracker. Rear diffuser there on the back, just sets it off. And then when we move on inside, there's little things just before I move on inside. The guy who owned this car, he was an enthusiast. Look at the little GTI cover for the key. Look at the mats. There's a couple of other bits which just show you that whoever owned this car loved it. You've then got them Chikara cloth seats inside, which are checkered, which everyone knows about. Even the little strips down the side are in red. You've got the beautiful GTI steering wheel. And then with it being a Performance as well, you get the slightly larger, I think it's 9.2 inch digital screen. You've got digital dials. You've got adaptive cruise control. You've got heated seats. You've got that DSG gearbox with the paddle shifts, which is it just drives. It's got the Performance. The gear changes are great. You've got your park assist. You've got your touchscreen navigation. And then you've got the panoramic roof. Look at this. All the invoices are here as well for every service throughout its life. Not due a service till later in the year. It's just beautiful. 2 keys. What a car. What a car. Automatic lights, automatic wipers. It's ticking over beautifully well. Electric folding mirrors. And even if you just look there, can you see the little GTI on the mirror there? Little stickers. Just to add little quirky things which just make you. And then you can see again the mats running through the back, which go in with the seats. It's just a great car, and Golfs generally hold the value really, really well. This car's only done 9,700 miles. It's got 3 services. It's got all the spec. The pan roof's a big one as well, the wheels, and it's a Performance. That is as good of a GTI as you will actually find. It's going on the website now. The car will sell very, very quickly. Give me a call direct. My number's on the bottom of the screen. But that is a fantastic GTI Performance.